Welcome to Canyon Fairways. Welcome to 9408 Players Canyon Drive, located inside of the prestigious Canyon Fairways community in Summerlin. As we begin this tour, I want you to immediately take in the sense of privacy and arrival created by this beautifully designed front courtyard. The space sets the tone for the entire home. It's quiet, elegant, and intentionally designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Canyon Fairways is known for its custom estates, wide streets, and its guard-gated setting, and this home fits perfectly into that lifestyle of comfort, privacy, and refined living. From the courtyard, we step inside through the main entry and into the heart of the home. The first thing you notice is the scale of the main living area. These ceilings are high, the spaces are open, and natural light fills the home through expansive windows and doors that frame the golf course and courtyard views. This main living space is designed to feel grand yet comfortable, and a place where you can host the most elegant gatherings while still enjoying relaxed, everyday living. The layout flows seamlessly and creates natural gathering points throughout the home. As we move forward, the kitchen becomes the true centerpiece of the home. This is a beautifully appointed chef's kitchen designed both for function and style. You have a generous counter space, custom cabinetry, and a layout that makes entertaining effortless. Whether you're preparing an intimate dinner or hosting a large event, this kitchen allows you to stay connected to your guests and the main living areas at all times. Okay, now tucked just behind the kitchen is one of the most desirable features in today's luxury homes, a hidden prep kitchen. This secondary kitchen space allows you to keep the main kitchen perfectly staged while handling catering, additional food preparation, and cleanup behind the scenes. It is a detail that truly elevates the home for anyone who loves entertaining. Just off the kitchen, we transition into a smaller, more intimate family room. This space offers a cozy and relaxed setting for everyday use, movie nights, morning coffee, and simply a comfortable retreat from the main living area. The layout provides a wonderful balance between open living and private, quiet spaces. As we continue through the home, you're able to look back out toward the courtyard, reinforcing how thoughtfully a home was designed around the light, the flow, and the outdoor living. Okay, so from here, we're going to head toward the garage. The garage space offers not only room for vehicles, but the kind of storage and function expected in a true luxury residence. This area is practical, organized, and designed to support the lifestyle and comes with a home of this caliber. Now we're going to head upstairs to a completely separate and private living quarter. This space is ideal for both guests, extended family, or even live-in staff. It functions almost like a private apartment, offering both privacy and independence while still fully being connected to the main house. This flexible layout is especially valuable for homeowners who frequently host visitors or require a private workspace or retreat within their own residence. From here, we're going to return downstairs and let's make our way to the downstairs ensuite bedroom. First, let's step into your temperature-controlled wine cellar, which is beautifully designed, climate-stable showcase, perfectly preserving your collection while creating an elegant and intimate space. We have another downstairs guest bathroom, which again is right off of your backyard. Now we'll head into your downstairs den, which is perfect as an office or additional living space with access to your backyard as well. This bedroom is spacious, private, and includes its own full bathroom, making it ideal for guests or multi-generational living. The layout allows for comfort and accessibility while still maintaining privacy from the main living areas. Now we'll head upstairs to what is truly one of the highlights of the home, the primary suite. As you enter, the first thing you notice is the sense of space and tranquility. The bedroom is positioned to take full advantage of its elevated setting and the private balcony offering sweeping views directly over the golf course. This is one of the defining lifestyle features of living in Canyon Fairways, waking up to open fairway views, mature landscaping, and a sense of serenity that is difficult to replicate in many other communities. From the balcony, you can enjoy morning coffee, evening sunsets, and a peaceful rhythm in the surrounding landscape. Inside the primary suite, the bathroom becomes a true spa-inspired retreat. This is a spotlight bathroom designed to impress, with premium finishes, generous space, and a layout that feels both luxurious and functional. Every detail is designed to enhance comfort and create a private sanctuary within your own home. Next, we're going to take a look at the massive walk-in closet that completes the primary suite. This is designed for serious storage and organization. It provides space for extensive wardrobe while still feeling open and easy to navigate. As we step outside of the primary suite, we walk across this wide open runway. You really start to feel how thoughtfully this upper level was designed. The separation between the primary retreat and the guest wing creates a true sense of privacy while keeping everything connected in a very elegant, flowing layout. Now on the opposite side of the runway, we'll see the first of two upstairs ensuite guest bedrooms. The room feels bright, calm, and incredibly inviting, with generous space for a full bedroom set and your own private bathroom tucked inside. Now continuing just steps further, we arrive at the second upstairs ensuite guest bedroom. The suite mirrors the same level of comfort and quality, again offering a spacious bedroom layout and its own dedicated bathroom. I love about having two ensuite rooms side by side in this wing is how flexible the space becomes, perfect for hosting guests, accommodating family, or even creating space separate from your private retreat for work, wellness, or a secondary lounge style bedroom. Now let's head to my favorite part of every home, the backyard. As we step outside to the backyard, this is where the home truly shines. The law offers a rare combination of privacy, open views, and useful outdoor space. The pool and spa are positioned to maximize both sunlight and views of the golf course, creating a true resort-style environment right in your own backyard. The outdoor entertaining areas are perfectly designed for hosting, whether it's an intimate gathering, a family celebration, or evening with friends. Multiple seating and dining areas allow you to create different experiences throughout the space. One of the most valuable aspects of this property is the setting. Canyon Fairways is located within the Canyon Villages of Summerlin, known for its established neighborhoods, proximity to shopping, dining, parks, and trail systems, and quick access to some of the best lifestyle amenities in the Las Vegas Valley. Residents here enjoy a quieter, more refined atmosphere while still being only minutes from downtown Summerlin, world-class dining and entertainment. The guard-gated entrance, custom homes, and golf course surroundings all combine to create a community that is consistently remaining one of the most desirable in Summerlin. 9408 Players Canyon Drive offers not only a beautifully designed residence, but a complete lifestyle, one defined by privacy, comfort, elegant entertaining, and breathtaking golf course views. This is a home designed for how people truly live, gather, and enjoy the everyday moments. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour, and I'll see you on the next video.